This is our second group of folks leaving for the Care to Ride event. This is our bicycle group. They're going to be out raising money as well on behalf of Oil Heat Cares, which is our association's foundation. The group is traveling from here at the Convention Center to the East Providence bicycle path, and they'll be returning about 4 o'clock this afternoon. Walkers and runners as well will be leaving about 4 o'clock, and a real treat for the walkers this year. They're going to walk down Benefit Street and have an opportunity to view some of the historic houses. So it's a little bit of something new this year, and everything raised goes to our foundation, Oil Heat Cares.
Taco Hydronic Systems. Do your best work.